Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power and resetting the basics. Unplug the Roku from HDMI and its power source, then wait 30 seconds to clear temporary faults. Once done, reconnect power using the original adapter. This fixes many startup and intermittent issues by restoring stable 5V. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries and have the Roku mobile app installed as backup control. If the device still won't boot, note any LED behavior and the exact on-screen messages. We'll use those next to diagnose deeper faults. Now focus on connectivity and software. Confirm the Roku is on the correct Wi-Fi SSID and that your router isn't blocking it with MAC filtering. Remember, many sticks struggle with crowded 5 GHz channels, so try 4 GHz. Go to Settings to perform a system restart, then check for software updates. Updates often resolve codec and streaming errors. If problems persist, use a factory reset as a last resort, and alternatively test with a wired adapter or phone hotspot to determine whether the issue is your router or the stick itself. Finish with hardware checks and a key troubleshooting tip. Examine the HDMI connector and stick for bent pins, debris, or loose casing, then try a different TV input and an HDMI extender to reduce strain and heat. If the stick overheats, place it in a ventilated area and avoid TV USB power. Finally, if you still can't resolve the issue, record the LED blink pattern and any error messages. Then contact Roku support with the serial number. That single data point often speeds diagnosis and replacement authorization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.